Number 9. The figure below is made up of shapes like the one on the right. So this is your figure, and this is what all of these are. This is what it looks like when you take it apart. Based on the model, which statement is true? So one of these pieces, they're wanting you to find how much is one of these pieces worth? That is your unit fraction. Okay? It wants to know one of these pieces, and I can see that because of my answer choices. So one of these pieces, which statement is true? One piece, well, in order to do this, I need to figure out what my denominator is first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my denominator is 6 because there are 6 total pieces in my whole. They are all the same size. One of them would be 1/6. 6/6, that equals 1 whole. I'm not looking for 1 whole. I'm just looking for 1 piece. 1/5, I don't have 5 total pieces. I have 6 total pieces. 1/2, I don't have 2 pieces. I have 6 pieces. And 1/6, that is your correct answer.